In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively book a meeting using Calendly. This straightforward guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling process. So, let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. Navigate to your dashboard, which is the central hub of all your meeting management tasks. Your dashboard gives you a clear view of your scheduled meetings and provides options to set up new ones seamlessly. Once you're in your Calendly account, take your attention to the upper left corner of the interface. Here, you'll see a Create button. Click on this, and you'll be presented with several options, among which you should select One-on-One. This option is ideal for setting up a personalized meeting with a single individual, ensuring a focused and undistracted interaction. After selecting One-on-One, a pop-up will appear. This is where you can customize the meeting details to suit your specific needs. You'll find fields where you can change the event's name, tailoring it to reflect the meeting's purpose or the context. Additionally, you can decide on the duration of the meeting. Whether it's a quick 15-minute catch-up or a comprehensive hour-long session, you have the flexibility to choose how long you need. Calendly also allows you to choose a meeting location. This could be a virtual meeting via Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or various other supported platforms. This flexibility is perfect for accommodating the preferences of those you're meeting with, ensuring that everyone is comfortable with the technology and platform being used. Once you've set these details, go ahead and click on the Create button to finalize the setup. This will save your newly created meeting event to your dashboard. Remember, flexibility is key when scheduling with Calendly, so take advantage of these personalization options. Next, click on the Save Changes button to ensure all your modifications are recorded. Now, if you return to your home page, you'll see the meeting you've just created displayed there. This provides an at-a-glance view of upcoming engagements. Look for the icon labeled Book Meeting. Clicking this will open options to begin inviting attendees. You can easily add or invite contacts, either by typing in their email addresses directly or by selecting from your connected calendars. This integration ensures that your invitees receive all the meeting details directly and seamlessly. Finally, once you've set everything, from the date and time to the invitees, click on Book Meeting. Congratulations, you've just successfully scheduled a meeting using Calendly. It's that simple. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has helped you in navigating the setting up of meetings efficiently and effectively using Calendly.